You're sick of getting distracted while working because of the huge amount of tabs and documents you have open, and you need a way to organize it all. Today I'll be showing you Rectangle, a powerful window snapping tool designed for Mac that I guarantee will make you 100 times more productive if you watch the entire video.
Getting started with Rectangle is super easy.
Head over to this website and download the latest version.
Once installed, customize your preferences through the settings to tailor Rectangle to your workflow.
Now let's dive into the core feature, window snapping.
With Rectangle, you can effortlessly resize and snap windows to predefined positions on your screen.
All you need to do is drag the window to these parts of your screen.
There are a variety of keyboard shortcuts for different snapping actions, making the process even faster.
If you encounter any problems, the good news is that Rectangle has an active community and support channels.
If you found this video on Mac productivity helpful, why not watch another one?